No, I don't fuck with iPhones. I'm an Android user for life, and I don't mind.
Baby, that's why you asking
Yeah,
me.
but this Google Pixel is crazy, man. I've done.
Ask you.
No, man, don't be saying she's not. Are you a bitch? She's calling you a bitch and you say nothing.
See,
That's
we
my-
talk
that's
to
my
each
wife.
other like that, so
That's
Yeah,
my
but
wife.
there
We-
must be a reason.
we
why
kind of
she
talk
calls
to
you
each
bitch.
other like that. So,
Yeah. But I never heard you saying bitch to her.
because I'm respectful.
Yeah, but
She
she's
te-
not,
she
she's
keeps
not.
it when we're at home. She calls me.
Wait, okay. Let's be serious. Let's be serious. We're gonna talk about something very serious, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Tila, your name is Tila, right?
I'm Tila, yes.
Yeah. Have you ever tried a Haitian food?
No, I've not. And tonight was my first night.
You just tried tonight.
Yeah, and I still don't even know what I ate.
Okay.
What did we
kind
eat?
It's kind of vegetables.
Vegetables.
Legumes.
Vegetables.
Legumes.
Have you ever eaten a Haitian food?
I plead the fifth.
Yeah.
I plead the fifth. I've never had Haitian food or anything Haitian in my life.
Yo, man, you lying, man. You were talking about LALO.
She ate all the Haitians.
Yeah.
And left no
Is
crumbs.
it true what she said?
On what level? What are you talking about?
No, I don't know what you know
I hate
what
the
she's
LALO.
talking about. I don't know what she's
You
talking
see?
about. She's your friend and you know what she's talking about. She said you ate
All the Haitians.
Haitians. Yeah. Not hate. Ate. This is the past perfect of the verb
Let me-
eat.
Is
Your
going-
mic work.
Okay.
Your mic
All
is
right.
working. Your mic is working.
Absolutely not. That's a false statement.
Yeah.
And it will not hold up in the court of law. So,
Yeah,
that being said,
you've known her for a long time, right?
long time.
Long
Very
time.
long time.
Has she ever
Love you long time.
has she
Love
ever
me a
had,
long time.
have
mommy.
you ever met her with a Haitian guy? Just be true. Just be true to yourself. If you lie to yourself, right?
I'm not a liar.
Yeah, but just tell me the truth.
But do we want to bring up irrelevancy?
Yes.
These people are irrelevant. Oh, sorry, this person is irrelevant.
Yes.
But there was a bump in the road.
But yo, man, I remember you were talking to me and you said you like Haitian food. How did-
Because I dated a
where did
Haitian
you
woman.
find- Where did you find Haitian food in
I
Kansas?
dated a Haitian woman.
A Haitian woman?
Haitian woman.
I mean, she's not telling the truth, man.
It's okay. We have to talk about the culture. Like,
Yeah,
the
I'm
culture.
new to it.
You're
know,
new to
so.
it.
Well, I'm
You-
not.
you-
No, I'm not new to. Yeah, I'm new to like
Haitian food.
explore. Yeah,
Exploring
like,
Haitian,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Okay, so you haven't eaten LALO yet.
No, I have not.
Lalo
No,
is
LALO.
Lalo is nice.
She had LALO.
I have
How is
Lalo.
LALO? How does it taste to you?
Lalo tastes like I don't know what to compare it to. It's like, you know,
Oh my God.
it's like what can we compare it to? There's nothing you can really compare Lalo to though.
Okay. But
It's very good.
But
Very
you,
good.
you like the taste. You like or you love the
I
taste?
love the taste.
Like the taste.
I like
What's
it.
the difference between a LALO and a Haitian man?
I'd rather eat Lalo.
You rather eat LALO?
I'd rather eat. No, okay. Let me say this.
Okay.
Haitian men are good. They're good. They're sweet men, but you know, they love their women. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Okay.
They love their women.
They no. When I say love their women, they love multiple at the same time.
Oh, so you have to be
Okay,
prepared
okay.
for that. Okay.
So be prepared for the wives and children
But
and
when
the
you
extra
say-
girlfriends and the people that's cooking in the kitchen when you're sitting at a party.
No, you're just talking something personal. I don't like that. I don't like it. Yeah,
I think she's talking personal experience.
What do you like
Yeah,
the most?
personal experience.
What do you like the most about Haitian, the Haitian men I'm talking about? What do you like the
The good
most of
things.
them? Good things.
You know, to be honest,
Yeah.
they're, you know, they can be sweet, they can be caring, they can be thoughtful. You know, they're good guys.
They're
Some
good
of them,
guys.
some of them,
In,
some of them.
in all like Bob Marley said, in all senses.
So you want me to bring up?
No, I bring nothing. Just tell me. I'm just want to know. I've never been with a Haitian man. I'm
Are you
Haitian.
sure?
I'm Haitian, but I've never been with a Haitian man. I've been with Haitian ladies. You know, you're the one.
So how are
You're the
Haitian
one who
women?
have to talk to me about Haitian men.
different views, because I mean, there's different ones out there, you know.
Okay, let's talk to Tila.
Yeah.
Tila,
Let's
Yeah.
put Tila
have
on
you
the mic.
ever been with a Haitian man?
Never.
Never. But on the
Nada.
street, you never see a Haitian man that you say, "Yo, man, this dude look good, man."
Nada.
They never come and talk to you and want to get something from you.
Well, I mean,
Well,
that part I don't know, but
Yeah, you're supposed to know. If someone listen,
I mean that part, yes, but
Listen.
but I've never been with an Haitian.
listen. If someone approaches you and talk to you, you would know if he's American, Haitian, or Indian by the accent, right?
Yeah.
But have you ever met one of them with a Haitian accent?
Yeah.
Right? You never fell in love with them.
No.
Why?
I'm
Just-
hard to get.
yeah, she's hard to get, but also, I don't think you can fall in love by the accent though.
Yeah.
You love accent guys.
I love men with an accent, that's for sure, because,
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
but
I know Haitian men would love you too because Haitian men love white ladies. I'm
Well-
telling the truth, white ladies.
Yeah.
But me, I have no color.
why
I have
is
no
that?
size.
Why do they love white
I have no
ladies?
preference.
I don't know because in Haiti we don't have, we almost don't have white people. When we see white people, it's like we see something. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
But me, I don't have that part of Haitian culture. I love a woman who loves me. If you love me, I love you. You love me, I love you. I don't care if you're black, you're big, tall, size, you know.
Well,